In today's video, I'm gonna give you a lot more information how you're gonna lose weight in natural way. I'm gonna give you what food is most commonly known that produce this body fat, especially something called visceral fat. That food you must avoid it, and also I'm gonna recommend you what food you should eat and some kind of type of diets that is gonna help you a lot. Visceral fat, commonly known as belly fat, is a major health concern due its association with conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and the metabolic disorders. Unlike subcutaneous fat, which lies just beneath the skin, visceral fat surrounds the vital organs and contributes to chronic inflammation. To effectively reduce belly fat, one must adopt a healthy diet and eliminate certain foods that promote fat accumulation. This visceral fat, like any other fat, but especially visceral fat, is unbelievably unhealthy. They are all around our organs, and it got some kind of chemical compound that goes in our body and causes a lot of inflammation. But in today's modern world, the obesity is on the level that never we seen anyone in history. That's why you need to avoid this food for effective belly fat reduction. First, low-fat yogurt with added sugars and starches. While low-fat yogurt is often marketed as a healthy choice, many varieties contain excessive added sugars and modified food starches. Those hidden ingredients contribute to rapid blood sugar spikes, leading to increased fat storage. Modified starches, such as maltodextrin, act like sugar in the body, but have even higher glycemic index, making them detrimental to weight loss efforts. This is just the way how many products are developed in our local store that we buy it each day. Unfortunately, a lot of products contain a lot of sugar, not just sugary products that you know, sweets and so forth, a lot of salt products that you think that they don't have any kind of sugar, and a lot of sugar. So these are one of the things that you must avoid. The second is going to be processed meats. Processed meats, including hot dogs, sausages, and deli meats, often contain fillers like corn syrup and modified starches. Those additives promote inflammation and hinder fat loss. Furthermore, the high sodium and preservative content in those meats can lead to water retention and bloating, exacerbating abdominal fat accumulation. Those meats that we eat much each day contains antibiotics, a lot of other chemicals that destroy our health, and especially they are gonna give you a lot more chance to make and gain weight. That is unbelievably important. Also, avoid sugary beverages and juices. Drink high in sugar such as sodas and fruit juices with added sweeteners contribute to belly fat by delivering excessive calories without promoting satiety. High fructose corn syrup, commonly found in those beverages, it's metabolized by the liver and converted into the fat, increasing the risk of fatty liver disease and metabolic disorders. Avoid refined carbohydrates. White bread, pasta, and pastries made of refined grains lack of fiber and essential nutrients. Their consumptions can lead to rapid spikes in the blood sugar levels, increasing insulin resistance and the hunger. Over time, those effects contribute to excessive calorie intake and belly fat accumulation. Also, you must avoid at any cost unhealthy fats like sunflower oil or any kind of oil like margarine, also some kind of butter, and any kind of oil that is not healthy but a lot of people eat in each day. We must avoid it at any cost, because those 5 substances that I said earlier are major contributor to you for your weight gain. That's why you need to avoid it at any cost. Recommended dietary practices to effectively reduce belly fat. Consider the following dietary adjustments. Increase fiber intake. Consuming fiber-rich foods such as vegetables, fruits, and legumes help promote satiety, regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce overall calorie intake. Choose whole grains. Replacing refined grains with the whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats provides essential nutrients while preventing blood sugar spikes. try and find something called healthy fats. That's why I always recommend eat moderately amount of seeds and especially the nuts each day, like sesame seeds, sunflower seeds. You must also eat walnuts, pistachio. Nut and seeds are unbelievably healthy. Eat them in the dosage that is going to be in your one fist or one hand each day. It's going to be unbelievable. Coconut oil, olive oil is unbelievably healthy. That's why I'm going to recommend you with those kind of healthy fats. Also try practicing something called intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is the best diet in the world, especially for the weight loss. But some people try practices also something called Mediterranean diet is going to be also perfect. Ketogenic diet, Atkins diet. Many of those diets can help you a lot with your weight loss, especially if you try practicing them regularly and correctly. Also try exercise regularly and avoid those food. Eat food that is going to be healthy for you. It's going to help you a lot. Eliminating harmful foods and adopting a nutrient-dense diet can significantly reduce visceral fat and improving overall health. By focusing on whole, minimally processed food and avoid products with hidden sugars and unhealthy fats, individuals can achieve sustainable weight loss and better long-term health outcomes. Pairing those dietary changes with regular physical activity and mindful eating, the process of shedding belly fat and maintaining a healthy body consumption is going to be a lot easier. That's why practicing intermittent fasting is going to be great. Exercise, try thinking what you eat, what you cannot eat, and everything is going to be okay. If you have any kind of suggestions about a perfect diet, or maybe something that you always do and you have normal weight and you feel great, please comment below. If you want to learn a lot more about nutrition and natural remedies, subscribe to my channel. Every day is going to be one new video just for you. For the last 25 years after I finished college, I'm working with the patient from all around the world. My specialty is natural remedies, nutrition, and physical therapy and rehabilitation. Every year I help thousands of people from all around the world. If you want to know how you can cure your diseases through natural remedies and a healthy lifestyle, call my office, Mario Lab Center in Croatia at +385 98 9179 200. Feel free to contact us through Viber, WhatsApp, or visit my website mariolab.hr, where you can find many more information about my work and how I can help you. I have put my knowledge of natural remedies and nutrition in my 3 books. My 3 books is about nutrition. First one is Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, and next 2 are about nutrition and the natural remedies that can help you a lot. The books are also available on English language on my website mariolab.hr. All information you have all below the video. My help is available to all of you from all around the world. If you are from North or South America, Africa, Asia, the Middle East, Australia, or Europe, take advantage of my private phone consultation. Call my Mario Lab Center right now. Make an appointment and I will make sure for you to get better in natural way with any kind of side effects, as I've been doing for the last 25 years.